This video will show you how to replace the memory modules in your ThinkPad. The process in this video will work for the ThinkPad P16s Gen 3 and Gen 4 Intel models. You'll need a screwdriver kit, a non-metallic pry tool, and 15 minutes of your time. Caution! To avoid damaging your device with electrostatic discharge, work on a hard flat surface. Use an anti-static wrist strap and mat, or discharge static by touching a grounded piece of metal. First, you must disable your built-in battery before removing any parts. Make sure to disconnect your power adapter from the computer. Press the power button. Tap the F1 key repeatedly to enter the setup menu. Select the config menu. Select the power menu option. Select the disable built-in battery menu option. Select yes in the confirmation box. The system will shut down and the battery is disabled. Loosen the 8 captive screws on the bottom of the system. The captive screws do not come out of the base cover assembly. Do not try to remove them. Starting near the hinges, use a non-metallic pry tool to release the clips and remove the cover from the system. Lift the flap, press the clips outward to release the memory module, and pull it from the slot. Insert the memory module into the slot using the notch for alignment and press down to lock the module into place. Place the cover onto the chassis, inserting the edge opposite the hinges first, and press down around the edges to secure the clips. Tighten the 8 captive screws on the bottom of the system. Plug in the power adapter and connect it to your computer to re-enable the built-in battery. You can find links to additional resources such as self-repair guides and the Lenovo parts store in the video description. For even more resources like user guides and manuals, visit the product page for your device at pcsupport.lenovo.com. For more information on your Lenovo devices, subscribe to Lenovo Support on YouTube.